You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge
Bob Chapman.
The people are
Monkeys.
The cases are the rulings are
Unfair.
This is the Daily Goob.
No, but that's just an example. You see, your fucking brain constantly looks for ways to get out of the fucking point instead of resulting to yourself.
You literally just bring up fucking the time you actually did it to.
Nate is biologically designed to do the most illogical thing.
What is your counter to the point that you will fucking walk in the lane, shit on the CS, and then leave, which is equivalent to, as Bob said, kicking somebody in the nuts and then laughing at them when they are just telling you to stop?
Oh, Dad, they don't get that my fucking balls got kicked in? I'm pretty sure I get that.
What?
Bro, I'm fucking standing right now. I'm in full flex right now. Dude, my neighbor across the street's looking at me. I'm looking at him right now. He just went back inside. I don't blame him, dude.
No. What'd you say? Wait, you say that again. Say that again, Nathaniel. Say that again, please.
No, I only got it because I didn't think you would get it.
Nate. Nate,
No.
let me
He told you
explain.
to stop, and you just started laughing and said, "Okay, now I'm gonna take it."
Okay.
You didn't say you're not gonna get it.
The only reason why I started laughing was because he texted me with, "I'll never play with you again."
Yeah, you're
Oh, the
right.
neighbor came back out.
I'm not playing
Nate.
with you again. Someone kick Nate. I'm not playing with him.
Okay, he went back inside again. I don't think he likes me.
We're not kicking it. All right, we're
Kick
not.
it.
That's not. We're not. That's such a bitch play to do. We're gonna settle this out. Don't you shut the fuck up, Nathaniel. Don't fucking agree. Shut the fuck up.
Shut your whore mouth.
Like, dude, you're in the fuck, dude. We're in a court of law. I'm the judge. Fucking honors the.
You got the fucking jury here.
The witness. We have like 3 witnesses.
All the you got all
I'm
the
popping off, dude. I'm literally standing in my judge's chair. I'm
the
top of my
jury.
judge's chair.
I'm a jury.
I am the lawyer that Trey has hired. He paid me
Yeah.
$5 and
And
some
a
three
big bag.
garbanzo beans.
I'm just telling this right now. I will plead guilty to beaming on Trey.
Okay, that's one charge against you.
Yeah, well, what's the fucking charge? Let's open the textbook. All right.
Alright, dude, we're forming a complete autist. That's one. That's a first
All right,
degree
memeing
count.
on kids, 10 years in the fucking gulag of rape prison. all
Yeah,
right?
that's pretty bad. Another big thing is,
are
you
we
know,
doing-
memeing really hard. Quiet, Cody. We're in a court of law. So
Why are we doing this?
We're in a court of law. Take it easy. Now, we are going over current charges against Nathaniel. Currently, these are the charges pressed against him. Being a complete total fucking autist, assault, emotional damage, and or maybe
He's laughing.
extreme ball
I'm
kicking.
sorry, Your Honor. Over in the court.
Yeah, shut the fuck up. That's not how this works. It's fucking June court. Alright? Shut the fuck up, Nathaniel.
Shut the fuck up.
Now, Nathaniel, with these 4 charges pressed against you, since you are defending yourself, since nobody would actually fucking defend you and your life depended on it.
Plead the fifth. Plead the fifth.
What? Mr. Hartley, would you like to bring anybody to the chair?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to bring Trey, the victim, to the stand. Trey, what did you have to say? What is your alibi?
He came into my leg.
Why does Trey need an alibi as a
Shut the fuck up, bro.
objection?
That's what I thought.
In the stand. Why even?
Overruled.
He just stood there. His tower was being taken.
lawyer case is too gay for this courtroom.
Hold on. I'm sorry. I can't let you talk over me. He just stood in my lane. His tower was being taken by 2 big black men. And then when the tower was taken, he stood there in the CS, and they just let him go, and then he started taking my CS.
That is
All
truly
right.
horrible.
Alright, Judge, I hope you heard what he said there.
I did.
So,
I'm gonna now
what
serve
are
him. You know? No. Okay, you're gonna keep going. Sorry.
what are your accusations upon Nathaniel here, specifically?
Ignoring orders, contempt of law, being a complete asshole, and stealing CS.
Okay, write that down.
Alright. Thank you. You may now go back to your seat.
Yes,
Is there anything else you'd like to do, Mr. Hartley?
I'd like to present Nathaniel now to the
Okay.
stage.
Nathaniel, you have now taken the stage.
Alright.
wait for Connor to ask you a question.
Alright. Mr. Nathaniel, defendant, you have been...
Press charges of taking CS, not listening to orders, being a complete asshole, and having severe autism.
As you heard, Trey is reporting you entering the lane and taking CS ignoring orders. Is this true?
Yes.
Alright, I think this has been a good court meeting here.
I would like to say something else.
You may.
You can't.
No, you can't.
Okay, you're on.
Troy seems to be focusing on the fact that I'm gonna get punished for memeing into a lane. And it seems that he's just annoyed that I didn't die.
Is that all you have to say to defend yourself?
I think that he's taking out the fact that they were
Okay. Mr. Harley, do you have anything to object to that, my friend?
To conclude, we'll have to go to the jury to see what they have voted on the
Alright.
fate of our defendant here. So now present the jury,
Will do.
and they will present their votes.
Alrighty.
Wait, 1 second.
Just a no. I like that one. Alright. Now,
making a
Cody.
shuffle, 1 second.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Dude, we're fucking, dude. This is a court of goon.
Literally
A
a
court of
full-fledged
goon.
court right here, dude.
First court of goon.
The Goob court.
Well, I mean, there's a juicy John if we counted, but
You just need to make
Yeah,
a...
I've already
Oh, you
put
actually
that
did. You
Actually,
actually
hold up.
did.
Well,
it
bring it
says
back.
here
Shut up,
in
shut up, shut up,
column.
shut up. Everybody shut up.
Classify NA, if NA wins, then it goes to the a higher level of court.
Yes.
The fucking...
Alright. Nathaniel, on the charges of being a complete asshole, having severe autism, taking creeps. I forgot the last charge, but you pleaded guilty to it, so it's irrelevant. You have been found guilty on all counts. You are certified a complete total degenerate autist. Give him 40 minutes in the slammer.
40 minutes in the... Alright,
That's a slammer.
Just also deafen him real quick. Perfect. Now he's stuck like that. Dragged it. And he's on
The butt slammer help.
the butt slammer!
Yo, what's up? It's Tyrone. Slick, baby.
Are we doing
Nice.
3v3s?
well, we're gonna do a 5v5 here, but just give me a second.